Wow, Sinatra.
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. We're gonna cook up some rabbit now and also horse meat. Oh, it's an old stove and them propane stove there. Coming like use it 10 million years, Yes. And give about 10 minutes. We break down. After I break down, do a fine cleaning, and then you catch me, we season up.
Mind your drop, eh? Mind your drop. Don't fall. Alright, though.
Start preparing things, is that around? Yeah. Cleanliness is next to godliness, them say, you see me? Come let me show you now the kitchen. It's not the conventional kitchen we used to. Anyway, we cook food. We actually make the kitchen, you understand? Sanitizer. Yeah. Just have a clean up the table here. After we clean it, start cut up a season. To get from them rabbit there and think. I don't hear the rabbit real Jamaican style. No Canadian season. We only use authentic Jamaican products such as Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. You know, my Canadian friend then call this green onion, you see me? With a scallion them, Yo! Star. Irish potato. In England they call it the other potato. And then we have a bit of bell peppers and onions. And we can't cook without the Walker's jerk season. Very important, you see me? This makes the flavors pop. And also, we have the Maggi all-purpose and also the Maggi jerk seasoning. Cutting board. Oh my god. Paprika, this adds the color to your meat, Rabbit is typically a white meat. And as you know, we normally put the rabbit in foil and also baking paper. Because rabbit is a very lean meat, you can't put it directly on the fire. It will become very dry and not very much edible, so we have to wrap it up properly. We have pimento, all-purpose again, and these are ketchup, a sauce after it's finished, and butter, just a little bit different from the chiffon butter that we use at home. But it's also good. Original butter, Not much oil. So maybe it will enhance the taste of our rabbit today, Yeah, man. So we're there now, we just clean up the rabbit meat. You can take a closer look on it. And we're going to apply the seasoning right now. So this is the all-purpose. I'll take it off. This will go too slow, You have to apply it carefully. You don't want to drown it, you don't want it too salt, and you don't want it too fresh, So, apply it, ensure that the season is in the corners and crevices. Yeah, Boston. Mad up the rabbit here, you know? Guyanese style and Jamaican style. Kirkis by. So a little of that. So we are doing the entire rabbit today. So that's why we apply so much seasoning. It's jerk. You know? Yeah, man. And just make sure we have a good vibes at the truck yard today. So we apply them here. Marinate it little. So the nicest part of the rabbit, you know. This part tastes like chicken legs, you know. See, it's fat. Oh gosh. Marinate all over. As you can see before, I made some incisions in the legs and the back all over so that the seasoning can thoroughly marinate in this. Take the next one. Alright, the jerk seasoning as well. Walkers with jerk season. Oh my. The authentic taste of your meat, you know. Yeah, man.
Mr. Mechanic run. Mash up a piece of work here.
Eh?
Where you going with around there?
Well, I'm just doing some service. I'm changing some lights at the back.
Chucking in Canada?
Talking in Canada, right?
What to them light a back?
The brake. And
Oh,
the brake.
a brake light?
The reverse light and the marker light.
Okay. So you're pretty sure a change brake light. You're supposed to want your...
Old Coral?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I saw your skill?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah? You not like this? You not like this one?
It's only my hand that be dirty.
Yeah. Cool, love, man. Tea that chuck in, what them say?
That's a man chuck.
Get your man chuck?
That's right.
Get
Chuck in the yard.
Man say cleanest chuck in the yard.
Yeah, but see, Messi something to do like that too,
You ever seen like that, Curtis?
What that?
Them just dash water upon the goat and just scrape.
Like what them do? Ag?
Eh.
No.
What's me I see that, you know? Hear about that style.
See, then it's not like that, right? Regularly, I'll skin them out. Iguana, I'll skin the iguana.
Yo, you know more and try that meat? Iguana meat?
When you skin the iguana, you don't got nothing, man.
Iguana. That's I'll stuff them.
Oh, you stuff it?
The iguana, you see the same torch? We just pass the torch on it, and a thin skin come out.
Oh, okay. That is nice meat, don't you, bud?
Iguana tastes good, man.
Iguana taste like my youth.
Iguana taste like?
Why? Okay, man, say.
Do you know when is the best time to eat iguana?
When?
August, September.
When?
They have eggs.
Oh.
The egg is the best.
Okay.
Iguana egg?
So here, we can't get iguana in Canada. Huh? You sure?
In Florida, you could use that for a lot.
Okay. We need to go to Florida too.
Vibes. Vibes.
Oh,
What's
the
the
box.
iguana man here? No, we clean the iguana. Look, they skin the rabbit. We skin the rabbit. How we clean it?
So this here, we're gonna make it marinate, you know. Jerk season, everything upon it, pepper. So, we're just gonna cover it up, make it marinate. What, boy?
Oh, God.
The man make some tip for we there, you know. We don't get the truck certified.
Hello, Chan.
Oh yeah? I'm in the boat, you know.
Bugs Bunny. Hey, don't starve for it if you don't eat it. These things will eat you. Yeah? Yeah? Alright, mad.
That's right, Kurt. No, you get a thing, no.
Yeah, everything good? Copying them thing, you know? Stuff the carcass, you know? Stuff up the rabbit. See, look like I cut up too much season. I can eat them with this and sitting, you know? So watch you now. That toots of butter in the belly too. Cook them with it. Then we'll wrap it up, you see me? I saw you do it in all the country? Eh?
Just so.
Eh?
Just so.
See you, man? You're too like.
Yeah, man.
Eh? And I mean invent the remedy, eh?
That stuff you gonna, I saw that stuff.
Eh? I saw the stuff iguana?
Yeah.
You lie, boy. You lie. Oh, I want a little butter on the outer part here, so.
I mean, I can drill it. Drill.
Then I have to maintain the moisture while it roasts, you know. Put this by. You see? This by. This is what chops everything.
You know, chef.
Rabbit meat, you know?
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, fire eye. One, turn down a little.
Good man.
Put it low. Oh, man, now see the fire. So this is the lowest? Which is the lowest?
That side.
This side?
That's it.
What is it, man? You want to cook it?
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh, 1.5 hour. Nice. I'm going to deal with the other meat now. I'm going to deal with the horse meat. Oh, let me set that time, man.
6:45.
Alright, good. 6:45. Alright. We're going to deal with the next one, you know? Big up Chana and Dave.
Pasta,
you know?
man. Big up pasta.
Alright. Yo, where Mikey there? Mikey.
Yo, we're Mikey there for real.
This is actually horse meat. Yo, let's unravel this thing, man. Yo, my first time I go cook this, you know. Yo, come closer for the unraveling of this meat. Yo, this thing is gold, you know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my. Ooh. Good.
It look like bacon.
Tell you, boy. What's done? You
Dave.
made my day, boy.
Huh?
You made my day.
Yo, bro, you know how hard I tried to deliver this from the God say I wanted?
You made my day. Okay, I will leave Kirkis. That's good, man. You're pretty, man. And it pre-tenderized, you see? Yeah, man. But now I understand why you say quick time it cook, you know? Quick time it cook. You willing to try it, Boston? Dave?
Alright,
Alright, we're gonna season it up Jamaican style. Try to keep the environment clean. Gonna look what I go on in the kitchen, you know? So these are horse strips, you know? We call it bacon strip too, you know? So you have to season it lightly, you understand? And we'll put a little bit of green seasoning on it. And we'll drop it on the grill. Within 10 to 15 minutes, we have this done. Low heat. You understand? Yeah, man. So, where's my knife there? The butter just go on it to ensure that there is no actual sticking going on. Yeah, man. That's how it going on. I got self to bless and eat food.
You eat this back home?
No, I wouldn't mind. Yes, man. So first time you're going to try this?
I am some kind man, I'm drinking my beer anyway. I never had it, but...
Willing to try? Hey,
I'm not gonna kill you.
yeah, anything don't kill your partner, you say, you know? Yeah, man.
I eat iguana blood lad.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. If you have iguana, you can eat this. It's just like beef, man. Yeah, man, just like beef. Just like
We
beef.
buy that.
Boy, I don't know where it come from, you know.
No, that's European people sell eat it. European meat shop and stuff.
Okay.
They sell it.
Yeah, man. Yo, this is a delicacy, you know, man. Oh, gosh. When you go home, you work all night.
That's a big ass.
Yeah, you work all night, man.
If I don't have my cousin, you know, as you say, one neutral vibe. One neutral vibe there for it. And a family thing, so yeah, what? You can't big up yourself, natural vibe, and that we say. We outside!
Cola man.
I ain't the king we have beat.
Cola man.
Alright, now say alright, one love.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit taste.
Rabbit is good.
Oh,
Tastes
man.
just like chicken, eh? The season is excellent. Everything is right on.
Big up, Caribbean style rabbit.
Big up to the pastor. Jamaican brother.
Yeah, man. Not tried. Not tried.
Yeah,
And then you wash it down and a nice Corona.
Corona.
It's good.
Hey, bread in there next time. Bread.
No bad.
Okay, no bread. I drink water, I try to live healthy, you know? No more beer.
No bad. That's right.
What you say about no more beer, Chan?
No, I can't say no more beer. I like beer. I like the Tito, the vodka.
Neutral vibes. I want DJ comes and represent for neutral vibes.
Bread. Rabbit. Oh gosh. Soft. Succulent. Nice. Like sugar and spice. And everything nice. Yeah, man. Well, enjoy a little food there, you know? Yeah, man.
Man, big up, large up, natural vibe. That me I say. Man, man come out and fly out of yard and come out foreign and say, and come run some rabbit cooking pan away here, boy, and I tell you say, oh, barbecue rabbit, wicked off the chain. So right here now, I'm going to start run down rabbit in the bush now, okay? Because natural vibe bring it come and foreign and say, yo, and that we are doing yard. Well, you don't know, so we see the rabbit enough. So now, we never really do it a foreigner. And the man just bring it out and I tell you, say, it tastes off the chain, bro. Big up yourself, natural vibe.
So this tastes similar to the one that you prepare back home?
Similar.
Similar.
Yeah.
So what's different with this? I know it's similar, but what makes it a little bit different?
Usually, we would like cow strip sometime,
Okay.
sometime beef.
Okay.
Yeah, so normal like you do cow strip chicken, cow strip it,
Okay.
but we do it with the skin.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, how would you rate this?
I'll give this a 9.
Oh my God, that's good, man.
Trust me, it's really good.
Yeah, the season is good.
Christian, huh?
Yeah, never taste it. What? Sorry?
I say I'm a Christian,
So that means fear
Huh?
God, you not fear me.
Don't eat these things, man. Yo, horse meat, sour cream. Which brand is?
Gaily.
You can put more sour cream on this.
Like that, no. No, you're in problem.
Let's taste it, but
No, you're in problem.
it's really good though, you know? Really good, man. Yo, horse meat. I'm so pleased. You know? Thanks to my friend them, you know? Them can't come on camera, but thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
On camera, we choose not to.
Big up, Kirkis. People, this is the horse meat. Yo, this thing I'm so good. You could have said earlier, me and them one, so I just take off the meat here, off of the grill right now. Well, the rest upon it. Tastes like beef, you know? Very good. Yeah, man. And thanks for watching Neutral Vibes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, you only see these things on Neutral Vibes. Thanks for watching. Alright, big up.